Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sumil.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, beta. Okay, any problem in the very first chapter? Third level, did you have any problem? Did you face any problem?
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, beta, the second chapter, the tiger level, that has been deleted. Even the third one, journey to the end of the earth, this is also deleted. Okay. So now we are going to begin with the fourth chapter, one of the most important chapters. It is a long chapter and it's important too. Okay. The enemy. Put the date on the chapter. One of the most important chapters it is. Date written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today, first and foremost, I'm going to do the summary. Okay. Now, the chapter, it is the time of the World War, and Japan, it was at war with America. Okay. And what happens? A doctor by the name of Dr. Sadao is there in this story, and he's the main character. And when the chapter begins, the narrator or the writer, he mentions that Dr. Sadao, okay, and a Japanese doctor. So Dr. Sadao Hoki's house, it was built near the sea coast, and it was a square stone built house. It was there on the sea coast, and when he was a small child, he says that his father, Dr. Sadao's father, used to take him to the islands, okay, towards the south and all, and from there he used to tell him about those small islands of Japan. And then the father of Dr. Sadao, he was very much concerned about his child's education, and he was the only child, so very much concerned about his education. So Sadao had been sent to America at the age of 22 to learn all that he could learn of surgery, okay, to become a surgeon, and also to learn about medicines and all. So at the age of 22, he was sent to America, and there he learned, he became a successful surgeon, and he returned at the age of 30. 22 he was sent, okay. After 8 years, he returned back, and when he returned to Japan, he became a perfect, a very good surgeon, and became famous not only as a surgeon but also as a scientist. Now, it was the time of war. Japan was at war with America, and Dr. Sadao, he was not sent with the troops. There were some reasons why he was not sent with the troops. One main reason was that the general of the country, he was under treatment, okay, and he might need an emergency operation anytime. So, for this reason, Dr. Sadao was kept in Japan because he trusted no other doctor than Dr. Sadao. Okay. And second reason was there, he was discovering a medicine, Dr. Sadao, he was discovering the medicine that would clean the wounds, that would entirely clean the wounds. These were the two reasons that Dr. Sadao, he was not sent with the troops. Now, then the main story begins. What happens? Dr. Sada was standing in the veranda of his house and he was looking at the sea. Okay, his house, as it was on the sea coast. Okay, so he was standing and on in the veranda and he was just looking there. His wife Hannah, whom he got married to, okay, she came and stands near him and both of them were standing, but suddenly what did they see? They saw that something black, okay, something black had come out of the sea. And the whole coast, beta, it got covered with the mist and fog. Are you getting it? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So the whole coast, it was it was covered with fog and mist, and it was not very clear that who had come out, but they saw something had been thrown by the sea, and then they realized that the figure that had been thrown by the sea was staggering. Staggering, you got, was not able to walk in a proper manner. Okay, and then what happens? The mist, it hides the man again. Got it? And then again they saw that a man, he was crawling. Crawling, you got it? Walking on hands and legs, knees, okay? He was just crawling on his hands and knees and then he fell down on his face, okay? He fell down and lay there. So both of them, they ran towards the man. They thought perhaps it was perhaps a fisherman who had been washed away from his boat. यही दिमाग में आता है ना कि कौन होगा, फिशरमैन होगा शायद, है ना, उसकी बोट वगैरह जो थी वो डूब जा गई होगी, तो है ना, वॉश करता हुआ यहाँ तक आ गया होगा by the sea. But when they came towards him, they saw that he was badly wounded. Okay, the man was badly wounded and he was lying on his face and he was motionless. Okay, anyhow, they turned him and they saw that he was an American. Okay, and as soon as they saw that he was an American, they just shivered. Why? Because Americans, they are the dead enemies of Japanese. मालूम है ना? Japanese के कौन है? दुश्मन होते हैं. Okay, and Japan was already at war with America. Hannah, his wife, she says that he was a white man, but as Sadao was a doctor, so his perfect hands, expert fingers, they started looking for the wound, thinking that he was an enemy. Okay, and as he was looking for his wound, what happens? His fingers, they touch the wound, and the wound, it got reopened. As soon as the wound was touched by his finger, blood, it started flowing out. Okay, it started oozing out, okay, at his touch. So in order to stanch that, stanch means in order to stop the fearful bleeding, Dr. Sadao, what did he do? He took the sea moss. Okay, no other option was there. जो sea moss होती है ना, उससे उसने क्या करा, उसके wound को पैक कर दिया so that the blood might stop flowing. Getting it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
अब क्या होता है बेटा, the man, he was unconscious. He did not know what was going with him. He only moaned with pain. Okay, he just cried he cried with pain in his unconscious state, but he did not awaken. Okay, now Sadao, he was in a dilemma. He was in a fix, and he just asked his wife that what should they do now. Okay, and they both were in somewhat this confusion that what to be done with this man. Okay, once they think that the best thing would be that we should throw him again into the water. Okay, now Hannah, his wife, she agrees, but that was a difficult situation. Okay, uh, because why it was a difficult situation? Suppose if they did not throw him, okay, if they sheltered this man, right? If they bring him into the house and give him shelter or protection, okay, they would be arrested. Why they would be arrested? Why? Because they would be treated as a traitor, isn't it? क्या माने जाएंगे?
Yes,
देशद्रोही
ma'am.
माने जाएंगे कि भाई किसी दुश्मन को शेल्टर कराए, पनाह कराए. And if they turned him over as a prisoner, okay, then the American would surely die. समझ में आया
Yes,
बेटा?
ma'am.
यदि उसको हैंड
Yes,
ओवर
ma'am.
कर देंगे, you know very well how the prisoners are being treated. Okay, कितनी ज्यादा brutalities करी जाती हैं prisoners के साथ, है ना? Prisoners of war के साथ I am talking about, right? तो उनके साथ बहुत brutalities करी जाती है, इतने tortures करे जाते हैं कि कई बार तो उनकी death भी हो जाती है ना? तो उसको ये लगा कि suppose if we hand him over as a prisoner, okay, to the military or to the government, surely this man would die. Now, yes, and now finally, what do they do? Ki, on the cap, it was the cap that the person was wearing. No, it was very much clear because on the cap it was printed as US Navy. Okay, and surely this man, you know, he might have escaped. Why? He was a prisoner of war. They understood it very much, and he might have escaped, and that was how he got wounded. So finally, they decided we should put him back into the sea. Okay, we are not going to bring him to our house. So Hannah, she asked her husband ki if all alone he is able to put him back into the sea, because she was not interested in helping Sadao to put him back into the sea, कि वापस इसको समुद्र में फेंक दें, उसमें उसका इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. मतलब इतना courage, you know, she did not have. तो सदाओ भी hesitate करता है. Okay, और मन ही मन सोचता है कि if this person would have been uh, whole means if he wouldn't have been wounded, okay, if he would have been fit and fine, surely he would have handed this man to the police, okay, without any difficulty. क्योंकि वो सोचता है as he was our enemy, so all Americans are enemy, हमारे enemy हैं. लेकिन since he was wounded, okay, so they shouldn't throw him back into the sea, okay, and they can't hand him over to the police also, है ना? अब finally what happens कि see beta, Hannah, she did not have the courage to throw that, right? And even Dr. Sadao, you know, he was kind-hearted. That was the main reason. And the main thing is that he was a doctor, and as a doctor, you know very well, the doctors, you know, they have to take this pledge, okay, to save the human life, irrespective of the color, the caste, the creed, anything. Okay, the first duty is being a doctor. What is the first duty? To save the life of any human being. Okay, ये नहीं सोचना होता है whether he or she is my enemy, whether he or she does not belong to a country, to a caste, to a creed, whether he or she is black or white, whatever it is. Got it, beta? So even Hannah, she hesitated, and Dr. Sadao, he also hesitated. And so many conclusions were put forward by each other, but finally they came to the conclusion and they take this man into their house. आया समझ में?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
बहुत
Yes,
सारे
ma'am.
कंक्लूजन आए कि हम इसको समुद्र में फेंक दें, हम इसको पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर दें, अमेरिकन हमारे दुश्मन होते हैं. ओके, इस तरह से बहुत सारे आइडियाज उनके दिमाग. अब फाइनली फेंके भी तो किसी के अंदर इतना करेज, इतनी हिम्मत, डेयरनेस नहीं थी. ओके, तो लास्टली क्या करते हैं? दे टेक दिस मैन टू द house, inside the house they take it. और हाना कहती है कि I'm going to tell the servants, you know, they had a cook, they had a gardener, they had a nanny, you know, to take care of the children. ओके, केयर टेकर थी बच्चों की। तो हाना ये सजेस्ट करती है कि surely they are going to tell the servants, okay, कि as soon as this man is okay, this man becomes fine, okay, we are going to hand him over to the police. और फिर वो ऐसा सोचते भी हैं, ठीक है। वो ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? क्योंकि if they are going to keep this prisoner of war in the house, everybody would be in danger. Servants का तो कुछ नहीं, Dr. Sadao's job would be in danger, है ना, and the life of his wife and children, it would be ruined. Okay, so now together they lift him up, they carry him to the room, and now where do they carry? They just carry him to the room of Sadao's father. Now Sadao's father, you know, he was a true Japanese, and his room was absolutely in the Japanese style, right? Everything was in the Japanese style. Why? He was a true Japanese, and even when he was sure that Hana was a true Japanese, then he gave permission to Dr. Sadao to get married to Hana. समझ में आया? तो जब वो पूरा श्योर हो गए थे कि हना भी ट्रू जैपनीज है, तभी परमिशन दी थी डॉक्टर सदाओ को टू गेट मैरिड टू हर। अब ये जो मैन था, he was quite dirty बेटा. Why? Because he had been thrown by the sea. He was on the seashore, and all the dust and everything was there on his body. He was bleeding, and the bleeding was stopped by the sea moss and all. Okay. So Sadao, he just suggests Hana that this man, he should be washed, he should be cleaned up. And he tells Hana that if he fetch or if he brings water, surely he would clean the man. Okay. Now this woman, Hana, she could not bear to touch this man, as he was a prisoner of war and an American. So she goes to the kitchen and she calls Yumi. Yumi was the caretaker of the children. Okay. Calls her and asks her to put a bucket of hot water in the room where this American prisoner was lying. Okay. There she goes, Yumi, she keeps a bucket of hot water, and Hana asks her to wash the man, but bluntly Yumi refuses, that she is not going to touch, she is not going to wash an American who was a prisoner of war. Okay. Now Hana did not like that Yumi should deny her orders, but anyhow she controls her anger, as she cannot make, okay, all the servants angry at this moment. Why? Because they had this fear that in case if they go out and complain against them, then they would be in trouble. समझ में आ रहा है? Everybody
Yes, ma'am.
sure?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम।
ना, यूमी ने जवाब दिया, उसको गुस्सा तो बहुत आया बेटा, लेकिन उस पर वो गुस्सा शो नहीं कर सकती थी। कहीं सर्वेंट्स आकर कंप्लेन कर देते उनके अगेंस्ट, तो दे वुड बी इन ट्रबल। ओके। मेन तो ट्रेटर माना जाता, देशद्रोही माना जाता वो डॉक्टर सदा, जॉब चली जाती। ओके। बच्चे और वाइफ सबकी लाइफ रुइन हो जाती। तो वो कुछ नहीं बोलती, एंड शी स्टार्ट्स वॉशिंग द man, though she did not like, but there was no other option. And then Dr. Sadao, he comes in, और उसका जो पल्स वगैरह होता है ना, वो देखता है, ठीक है। And he feels कि pulse was there, though it was running faint. Okay, it was faint. फिर उसका heart check करता है, even the heart, you know, it was beating, means the man was still alive. ठीक है। और सदाव नोटिस करता है कि if this man is not operated, okay, surely he would die. So it is a necessity to operate this man. And this American prisoner of war, beta, he was a very young boy, hardly of 25 years of age. Okay. So Hana, she washes the man, and Dr. Sadao, he brings all his instruments. Okay. and sterilized towels and all he brings. And why he brings? Because now he's going to operate this man. And then he asked Hannah to give him anesthetic. You know what is an anesthetic?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it, Ashwati?
Ma'am, it is an instrument which is used by doctors to, just
To make a person unconscious while
person.
operating him.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
That by this injection, a person not feel any pain while
अनकॉन्शियस कर
operating.
देना एक तरह से, है ना, उसको अनकॉन्शियस कर देना, जिससे उसको पेन वगैरह ना हो, ठीक है। तो वो हाना को बोलता है, लेकिन जैसे ही ब्लड वगैरह फ्लो होता है तो हाना गिडी फील करती है, एंड शी गोज आउट टू वॉमिट, ओके। शी कैन नॉट सी द वुंड, ओके, where this man had gunshot समझ गए, उसको गोली लगी थी. So she goes out and she vomits, and then she comes inside and asks Dr. Sadao how to give this man anesthetic, okay. अब उसको anesthetic वगैरह सब दे दिया जाता है ना. As Dr. Sadao, he was an expert surgeon, he started operating this man, and finally he was able to take out the bullet, okay, with a precise incision, means a cut was made, and Dr. Sadao, he could feel the bullet was there, and finally he was able to pull out the bullet, to take out the bullet, okay. And while taking out the bullets, the man, he cried in pain, he moaned in pain, though he was unconscious, but he could feel the pain. Finally, the bullet was taken out, and then Dr. Sadao gives him an injection so that the pulse, it may become strong. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
enough for today. Why? It is a very long chapter, but half of the summary I'm going to explain tomorrow, right? As it is time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.